In Bastogne, Donald Burgett's unit was sent out to infiltrate behind friendly lines to pinch out German infantry that had broken through the defense lines earlier that day, December 21, 1944. Engaging with the enemy with small arms fire, several members of Don's platoon were killed in action or wounded in action. All of a sudden, Don gets hit in the face and is knocked down to the chilly ground. He thought he was going to die. He started touching his face, looking for the bullet entrance wound. To his surprise, there was no such wound. From the corner of his eye, he sees a German soldier in an American foxhole jumping up and down like a jack-in-the-box, shooting at the Americans. Now it was that soldier that had fired a round at Don in order to kill him. But he missed. The bullet had snapped the strap of Don's helmet, causing his chin cup to flip up and hit him in the eye, knocking him down to the ground. Don stayed very low and he was waiting for the right moment to fire back at the German. He fired one single round and he could see the German helmet roll away. Don stood up, ran to the foxhole and saw the dead soldier lying there. He removed him from the foxhole, jumped in there himself, placed his rifle on the dead German's belly and continued shooting at the enemy. While doing that, Burgett noticed the dead German's belt buckle, and it seemed to be a German Fallschirmjäger, a paratrooper. Don took that buckle from the dead soldier and took it back home to the United States. He had it chromed and he wore it to work every day after the war.